Brethren, the time has come again for us to receive expressly from our daddy. He has been a blessing to us all through the year, but now we have one more word for him. Without wasting our time, put your hands together as I welcome our daddy, Daddy G of creativity. With our love for him. God bless you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Able God.
We want this January to December, no more insufficient funds. Brethren, we have come to the end. Mass, we have come to the end. Sad. Praising God is important, but thanking Him is important. Jesus. Sister G. Mason, if you are in a relationship with a guy who will beat you because of just 4 eggs, what thing you get?
I don't know.
You better be body and japa. Brothers, how can you be in the Sweet Boy Association but you cannot spell Buhari? But you can come online and you are fighting in the comment section over BB Naija. You are a lazy youth. Come to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, we go there alright last. We go there alright last.
Go and sit down.
We rise by lifting others. I met a lady in June and I told her, sister, do not have sex until you are married. She is. I said, Pastor, what do you mean? Show more age meaning. You won't believe that 2 weeks after, she went from beggar to a jar and she fell pregnant. I might not know anything, but I can give you an assurance that if you go to a canteen right now, everywhere is still. I interviewed the Koopy boys in October and asked them about their experience, and they said, la dem that is to say, na dem they rush us.
No. I
2 months ago, my friend Jane, a small girl, big God, invited me for a house party.
And so what?
We were there eating, and some ladies were having a conversation about how sex dolls can never replace a woman. Can I shock you? Can I shock you? And suddenly we heard gunshots. I ran into the room and hid under the bed. I picked my phone and tried to call the police, but there was no transmission.
Make use of your brain.
They came in and began to beat one look-good guy who was trying to escape, and I heard him shouting, I am in pain, I am in severe pain.
Nowhere.
They asked the celebrant, where is your money? She said, I don't have any money. They said, no way, we are not living here until we find money. We die here. And suddenly they brought her into the room where I was hiding and began to ransack everywhere. And guess what?
What happened?
And they didn't cut me. I deserve some accolades, but I will see you in 2019.
And now your head.
You are mad internationally.
Bye-bye.
That is called